Hello and welcome to the Pidgin English School YouTube channel. My name is MK Uswa and I am your Pidgin English coach. So, if this is your first time visiting this channel, please like, comment, and share. Today I'll be talking about a popular Pidgin English word called Ment. M-E-N-T. Ment means to be mental, the short form for the word mental. And mental means somebody who is crazy, somebody who is mad. Okay, so you're going to see Ment used a lot if you're on Twitter or if you listen to a lot of Nigerian music, right? So mental or Ment means crazy or mad, and you can easily use that in sentences like if you say you dement, means you are mad, you are crazy, right? So if I say that girl dement, means that girl is crazy or that girl is mad. So you can use the word ment if you want to describe somebody as mad, or it's like a curse word too. You can say you dement, my guy, you dement, you really dement, which means you're really crazy. I mean, you're trying to tell somebody that what he's about to do is crazy or what he did was crazy. All right. So that is the word for today. If you want to learn more about Pidgin English words, phrases, if you want to have one-on-one training, if you want to have access to Pidgin English audio training, Kindle book, physical book, head to the pidginenglishschool.com.ng and you'll be able to have access to materials to help you improve your Pidgin English. Okay, so make you go that link now, type them, click them, or go to the description and you're going to see the direct link to that website. Go to the description, go and click the link, and you will learn on pidginenglishschool.com.ng. Thank you very much. Till I meet you in another video. Bye bye. Make you no find trouble. All right. See ya.